Hi guys, today we're going to be teaching you how to make beer can planters. We thought it would be a perfect project to share with Father's Day coming up because we know a lot of dads are really hard to buy for, and we thought it would be a fun homemade project to make for them. I've collected a few cans that I thought were really nice from my brother's recycling. And I made a few planters for him to put in his apartment. I thought they'd look really nice in the new kitchen that we redid. So yeah, takes just a couple minutes to make, really easy gift idea. So first you're going to take a clean empty can and use a hammer and a nail to poke holes for drainage in the bottom. Once you have the holes done, you can take a can opener and cut the top out. Then you're going to take your can and add some rocks to the bottom. And then you can take some soil and add it to the can. And then you're going to want to push it to the sides of the can a little bit to make room for the plant. Then take your small succulent and you can loosen up the roots a little bit. Just massaging the dirt to loosen things up. And then you can add it to your can. And then if necessary, you can add extra dirt along the edges.